Hello everybody, welcome to my YouTube channel Blagil. So guys, in this video I will show you the ways by which you can cancel any subscription, or you can just delete any account on the internet. Like if you want to delete a Facebook account, you want to delete Instagram account, you want to delete any account on the internet, or let's say you want to cancel your Netflix subscription or Amazon subscription or anything. So I have found a website from where you can seek some guidance, so I will show you. So this website called Account Killer. So after coming here, let's say you want to cancel your Netflix account and delete its whole account. So let's search here Netflix, and after that it will show you how to cancel your Netflix account. So scroll down, click on read more, and now scroll down again, and here, as you can see, here you will see all the steps you need to follow to cancel or delete your Netflix subscription or account. So it is showing you how to cancel Netflix account by login, by cancel account by your phone. If you want to cancel your account on phone, these are the steps to follow. And if you want to cancel your account by web chat, these are the steps to follow, and it will show you all the steps to follow to cancel your Netflix account. So now it was about subscription. Now let's talk about sites or apps or accounts like Facebook. So it will show you how you can delete your Facebook account. So let me show you, and scroll down, and it will show you the guide. And here, as you can see here, click on read more, and now scroll all the way down again, and it will show you the steps to cancel Facebook login. So here are all the 8 steps you need to follow to delete your Facebook account. So by going to this website called accountkiller.com, you can get a guide or steps to cancel or to delete your any subscription or any account on any website. So guys, that's all. If you think this video and this information was useful, then make sure to give this video a thumbs up. It is very important. And if you want more such videos, then also subscribe my channel. I will see you guys in next video. Goodbye.